IMTS 2026 is almost here. And we're making it our most exciting show yet by bringing proven Okuma machines and new ones designed for modern manufacturing. Explore the possibilities engineered by Okuma Factory Automation with entry-level systems and custom setups. See how our world-class service and customer support are expanding at the new Okuma Global Repair Center. But most of all, the Okuma booth is the ultimate place to connect, collaborate, and achieve the impossible.
Welcome to IMTS 2026.